I am super happy with my new solar system.
I'm all excited. I've wanted solar panels for such a long time.
One of the things that got me interested was my neighbors had done it.
I asked 1,000,001 questions.
Well, I'm pretty happy right now. The last couple of months I've gotten an electric bill of a credit.
So I think really it was just boiled down to the numbers and cents.
Panels are working great. The system was well installed. My electric bill is down to almost nothing.
So it's been nice to see our Pepco bill go way down, so it's been a win-win.
It's a nice small company, you have good contact, and they're very responsive.
I'm most excited about the install crew, who's been kind and courteous, and to Ben, who helped set this up.
I think just talking to Ben with all of his passion for this.
Ben is my point of contact. He's the one that really got me signed up.
Here, talk to Ben. He knows everything. He's super knowledgeable. He'll build the system out for you, make sure you're hooked up, and from start to finish, you just can't go wrong. Big shout out to City Renewables. Thank you guys so much for hooking us up with solar.
I highly recommend City Renewables.
Recommendation to City Renewables for helping out with it. Thanks so much.